Hey everyone, welcome to our new episode of user verification plugin. In this episode I'll show you how to protect user register from pre-email domain like Gmail, Outlook and yahoo.com. So before get started, you will need to install and activate the user verification plugin. So simply go to your WordPress dashboard and search for user verification. You will see the plugin user verification by Pick Plugins. After install and activate the plugin, you will see the plugin menu user verification under the users menu. So we are on the user verification dashboard. This plugin is super useful for product spam, email verification, and OTP login, magic login, and login identity. And under the spam protection, you will able to enable domain block. Like simply you set yes and you see the block domain and alert domain. So you can set your desired domain list you want to block. So we put this and hit set options. And let's go to the register website register and let's try with the register an account. Hello 123@gmail.com and keep the username and try to register, and you see the warning for the Gmail domain is blocked. This is simple and warning, so user will not able to register using Gmail domain. Or let's try the Yahoo domain and you see the Yahoo domain is blocked. So this is super useful. I hope you love this. Thank you so much.